Thank you for only 5 minutes of your time, which is going to hack your mind in regarding to the spiritual science regarding reprogram your mind. Let's focus on the breath, the Ruach. The breath of Yah is the original life force representing the Holy Spirit or Ruach HaQadosh, Divine Mother. By deep rhythmic breathing, you oxygenate your cells, also releasing cortisol, which is associated with holding on to fat reserves, and realign your cellular voltage. So speak affirmations such as I inhale divine order, I exhale ancestral pain. 2. Frequency, sound healing. Every cell in your body vibrates according to sound. So this is why it's important to speak positive to yourself. Focus on positive things to the best of your ability and pray. Okay, prayer definitely shifts your molecular structures. Okay, this is a spiritual science. So moving on to 3, your intention. Your intentions stretch your neuroplasticity. And what this basically correlates with is the neurons in your brain begin to rewire themselves in response to said intentions and having faith. Faith is actually an action word. And so when you visualize, you get into an imaginative state of what it is that you want or see for your life, you are literally giving your molecules the instructions of what it is that you want so it can come into reality. Then 4, we're going to go to our nutrition, which is how we maintain our cellular maintenance. Okay, so through high frequency foods and plant-based medicines such as chlorophyll, lion's mane, different fruits, and also living water. When I say living water, speak life into your water. It sounds like fiction, but it's scientists that prove that if you speak positive words into your water, it actually manifests. Okay, trauma thrives on low frequency things. So moving to a higher frequency through oxygenation and light. Then we're going to move on to prayer. Okay, this is the big one because this is how you can reprogram your epigenetics. Okay, consistently praying, this creates measurable changes in your genes expression, and this also silences any type of inflammation in your neural pathways. This activates your immunity and your resilience. You can literally pray your way to a more healthier DNA structure, which results in you having a legacy worth leaving. So this is a prophetic revelation that I have for you. You're going to have a new body, a new mind, and you're aligning with a new earth. The Most High is raising a generation of those that are in tune bio-spiritually. Many of you are prophetic and you're beginning to realizing that because when you reprogram your DNA, you shift not only your body but your entire lineage. Your bloodline has been waiting for you, and you're not here by coincidence. This is divine alignment. So I want to lay down some scriptural foundation for resonance purpose. 2 Corinthians 5:17 says, old things are passed away. Behold, all things are becoming new. So you're becoming a new citizen of a new earth, a higher version of human. And each cell in your body is going to realign with your divine design from Genesis. Okay, the great awakening is happening, and it's not only spiritual, it's biological. Heaven is not a place per se. I know it definitely is in the afterlife, but you can actually attune to having heaven on earth by shifting your frequency and embodying it. So speak life into yourself. And without further ado, I want to leave you with these affirmations to activate your 7 circuits of your brain. Let's begin. I command every cell in my body to be in alignment with my divine origin. I release any memory of trauma and replace it with frequencies of love and light. My DNA is in perfect harmony. I am the resurrected divine consciousness made flesh. So feel it, have faith about it, and understand that you are the new beginning of a beautiful new legacy. And in closing, I want you to always remember that although you may have experienced different levels of trauma, it doesn't mean that it is your definition. You are awakening to a new you, and your molecular structure is going to benefit all aspects of this new being that you are. Remember, your cells remember heaven. You are experiencing Eden on earth once again. So welcome to this new life you're beginning to embark on. Ashe, Amen, Shalom.